Aloha, my name is Gabriel Monahan, and I'm owner and operator of Ho'olono Natural Remedies. Today I'd like to talk about a product called Olena Heat. And as you can see, it's surrounded by Olena, and this product is it's a formula formulated with 4 main ingredients: ginger, garlic, chili pepper, and turmeric, Olena. The Olena is the main ingredient in this formula, and this formula is used for anything from inflammation, colds and flus. It's wonderful for the blood circulation, to get blood flowing from the tips of the toes all the way to the tips of your nose. So when you use it, use it very sparingly to begin with. Just about this much is enough. And take a sip, swish it around, woo, and then swallow. If it's too spicy, drink a glass of water afterwards. I hope you enjoy your Olena Heat experience.